Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Hyundai Elantra Limited. Under the hood, we have a 1.8-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in blue. It does look great. I do love that dark blue. You got the chrome accenting up front here on the hood as well. You do have your halogen style headlights right there. They are very bright. And coming around the side here, we do have our 15-inch rims with our tires there. They look great. Still has tread left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle here, we do have our Hyundai and Elantra badging right there. And then we can also open this up just like this. There we go on our keys. Now back here we do have lots of room. It looks fantastic. You can lift this up. You got your spare tire just underneath there. Ignore all the ash. It's been pretty gross around here lately, but it looks fantastic back there. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and then you do have your button there to open up the back and your panic button around the back. Now let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. Got your handle here, another handle here. Nice place to put your arm, and some storage just down there with a water bottle holder. Does look fantastic in here. Very soft seating as well. Feels great. You do have your eco mode just over here, as well as your in-cabin light control, and right here is the traction control. Then we do have the controls of our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our turning signals and high beams. Okay, we got our keys here, so put them in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now, right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now, we can switch that around a little bit in the center there. From that to we also have our average liters per 100 kilometers, our average there. We got our ET, we have our trip A and B, then we also have our range there. Now, we can also change that from right here. Plus you have your trip and your reset and your mode and all that, as well as your cruise control there, volume up and down, mode, mute, and your Bluetooth options just down there. Right over here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers, and in the center here we do have our radio up top here, our clock up top here, and then our radio down here. So we do have our CD player here. We have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM. We have our media tab if we have one hooked up through our Bluetooth, our USB or aux cord. Then we also have our phone options if we have one hooked up through our our Bluetooth. We have our scan. We can search all sorts of different stuff. We have our setup and our menu right there. Volume up and down with the power here. Presets right down there. Your browser there. You got your seek and track and folders and all that right there. Then down here we have our front defrost, rear defrost, circulation, AC, where it's going to blow out of, your power, hazard lights, and your heat there. You have your heated seats right there, and you can lift this guy up and you got your aux cord and USB plug-in plus some storage down there. Gear shift right here, just like that. You got some cup holders here with a parking brake. Then you have this guy that opens up, and you got some storage just in there. Over here we can fold this down, and we do have our owner's manual inside of there. Then up top you do also have your sunglass holder and some lights. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. On the door here you do have the controls over your windows. You got your handle, another handle here, place to put your arm and some storage down there. Looks great back here as well. Same material as the front, very soft. You can fold this down just like this. Then you do have armrests and some cup holders. It does seat 5 people all together as well. And there's our 1.8-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Hyundai Elantra Limited. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.